You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing Irish names that many mispronounce. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel. In Irish it is said as Sorcha, Sorcha, or more quickly Sorcha. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations of more confusing Irish names. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Like it at least, it helps me immensely. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.